Hi guys! Today I have a colorful summer salad recipe for you with a lot of seasonal vegetables and berries. This salad is full of flavor and definitely not boring. It's perfect as a side for a grill party, or you can serve it as a light lunch or dinner. Let's get started with the recipe. For the salad, you need 1 romaine lettuce, 1 lemon, 1 avocado, half a cucumber, some fresh strawberries, 1 yellow bell pepper, arugula, some blueberries, red onion, some almonds or any other nuts of your choice, honey, feta cheese, salt and pepper, and olive oil. The first thing we want to do is to start by roasting the almonds. You want to roast the almonds over medium heat, and you want to keep the almonds moving while you roast them so that they're roasted from all of the sides nicely. Then you want to remove the almonds from heat and allow them to cool completely. Next, I'm going to prepare the dressing for the salad. For the dressing, you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey or any other sweetener of your choice. Then you want to add in the zest of 1 organic lemon, and here it's important to keep rotating the lemon so that you only get the yellow part of the zest, because the white part can be quite bitter. Then season with salt and pepper to taste. Roll the lemon on the cutting board like this. Then you want to half the lemon and juice half of the lemon. Now you want to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the dressing. Mix everything until it's all well combined. This might take a while, but just keep on mixing until everything is well combined. And then you want to set the dressing aside in the fridge for the time you prepare the salad. First, I'm going to remove this end from the romaine lettuce, then half the romaine lettuce, and also remove this end bit because it can be quite bitter. After that, you just want to finely chop the romaine lettuce. Then I'm going to cube the cucumber, and I really love different shapes in the salad, so I'm cutting all the vegetables into slightly different shapes. Then you want to de-seed the bell pepper. I'm using a yellow bell pepper because that adds some more color to the salad, but you can also use a red bell pepper. Then you want to half the onion, peel the onion, and finely slice the half of the onion. Now you want to remove the green of the strawberries and just quarter the strawberries. And now we are going to prepare the avocado. You just want to half the avocado, remove the seed, and then scoop the avocado with the help of the spoon like I'm showing you here in the video. And then you also want to chop the avocado, and I decided to chop the avocado into these kind of big pieces. And then the last thing you need to prepare for the salad are the almonds. You just want to roughly chop the almonds for the salad. And now we can start assembling the salad. I'm adding all of my arugula to a big salad bowl. I'm using a lot of arugula, but if you don't like the taste, you can add slightly less. Then I'm also adding all of the rest of my vegetables and berries to the salad. I absolutely love how colorful this salad is going to be. And while adding the avocados, I'm just helping separating the avocado pieces a little because sometimes they get stuck together. And the same thing I'm doing with the onion. Then we'll have little bits of onion all over the salad, and they're not going to be as one in just one spot. Then you also want to add in the almonds. I added the dressing first and only then the feta cheese, but of course you can add the feta cheese first and only after that add in the dressing. I'm just crumbling the feta cheese right into the salad with my hands because I prefer the uneven bits of feta cheese in my salad. However, if you like, you can also just cube the feta cheese with a knife instead. And then you want to mix through the salad to cover the salad with a delicious dressing and also to combine all the ingredients. The important thing to note here is that you want to add the dressing only right before serving the salad and mix the salad only right before serving. Otherwise, you will have a lot of liquid in the salad and it's not going to be as fresh and crunchy. You can serve this salad as a side salad, or you can also serve it as a light lunch or dinner. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed my colorful summer salad recipe and I hope I inspired you to try it out. If you liked the recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.